Right, hi there guys. Sean Mack here from chatamo.net, and what I'll go through today is some features that we've added because we want to get more features in there. Just so we're leaving everybody for dead, but we want to go even further. So one of the first things about digital marketing is obviously you want to be omnipresent. You want to be about everywhere you can possibly be. Now, it's all well and good having Facebook pages, but as well as known, Facebook only shows your page to around about 3% of people. Therefore, you need to go out and start spending money on it and whatnot. However, there is groups, and groups get a larger coverage. If you're a member of a group, then you're getting shown those posts an awful lot more often than what you are from a page. Right, so we thought we'd capitalise on this a little bit. And what we've actually done is we've added groups, so auto group posting into our chatbot as well. So now you can post to Facebook pages, Instagram, Facebook groups, and a load of other stuff. I'm going to go through it all right now. And then I'm going to show you some other bonuses as well that ours does that others just don't. So we have the groups here. So I've got a 15 group list here and I've got 111 pages, right? So what we're going to do first off is we're going to go down to social posting, just down here. Right, within this social posting, what we can now do is we can make up different posts, right? So let's say, for example, we want a multimedia post, right? So we'll create me a multimedia post. I'll just delete that one. Right, so we'll create me a post. And what we're going to do on this post is we're going to basically put in test. And this is a test. And right now we can post to pages. So we can post to as many pages as we like. So we can have all of these pages. I could post to the 111 pages if I wanted to. That would be a bit of an overkill there. Or I can also post to my groups, right? So we can select different groups that we want. So we can have all those in there. And we can also do posting time. So we can set what time we want to actually post these things out. Right, now then. That's just one of the things. So obviously you can add your links, you can add your images, you can add your video, right? So that's on this first one, right? That's on the multimedia post. Next, your call to action post, so exactly the same sort of thing. And you've got carousel video post, right? So they're all the same sort of thing. Now, Facebook live streaming is being a little bit difficult at the moment because Facebook keep on changing everything, and so the APIs are going a nightmare. But we've also got Instagram posts. Now, Instagram, exactly the same. So we'll just create a new post, and put a little picture up there, put as test, type the message, this is a test. Put it on which Instagram account I want, put it on Sean Mack Marketing, and again we can schedule the post, right? So what this means to you, it means that you can now go in and you can be the social media manager for your area. Now, if that was all, that would be really quite good. However, we decided to go further because we like going further. So what we also decided to do was also do other accounts, right? So we've got Twitter accounts, got LinkedIn accounts, got Reddit accounts, Blogger accounts, WordPress accounts, WordPress self-host accounts, and Medium accounts. Right now, what we can now do is we can go into here and say, for example, we're going to do text post. So create a new text post. I'm just going to call it test again. And for the title, edit, test, and this is a test. Right. Now, again, with the scheduled posting times, so we can have whatever time we want, whichever time zone we want. So look at what times are busy on the particular different things. And we can also say how many times we want to reposting, right? Now, this is awesome. This means every 6 months, you can just recycle your posts, if that's what you want to do. Now, first off, I have the different Sean Mack pages, right? So I can post on the pages, so I'll say those two there. And we'll post on Twitter as well. And if we go down, we can also post on LinkedIn, we can post on Reddit, we can post on WordPress, we can post on Medium, and we can post, that's it, right. So we can post on all of these, right? So we can just simply press go, and we'll either post it now or post it later on, right? Now I'm not going to post these because pretty much this is a test, is a pretty pointless thing to post up. Now, that is basically all of the postings up, right? So they'll do all these different methods of posting, all these different sorts of posts that you can put up. So you've got your image posts, your text posts, your video posts, your links post, your HTML post, your auto post where you can put an RSS feed on there. So you don't have to worry about Facebook or Instagram or Reddit or LinkedIn or anything else. It'll just work it all with Fire. Or you also have the bulk post planner, right? So that's where you upload a massive, big, long bulk post, and it just sits and churns it out for you daily. Now, that's all well and good. However, if you post on that many accounts, what you're going to find is you're going to find that you've got an awful lot of things to answer, because, like I said, to get the engagement on a Facebook page, you really need to be there and you need to be answering. Now, Facebook, what they'll do is it's show it to 3% of your audience. If that 3% of your audience starts responding on your page, they'll then show it to a larger percentage of your audience. So what we can then do is we can use that, and we can like, we can heart, we can comment, and we can do various other things. So what we can actually do is if we go into comment growth tools. Now, in amongst here, what we have is, first off, if somebody comments on your post on Instagram or Facebook, you can then reply with another comment underneath, which then boosts the algorithms on that particular post, because Facebook suddenly sees you responding. Please don't respond in just 2 words, because otherwise it gets a bit pointless. And it makes up the responses. So thanks very much for replying. Please check your DMs, right? That's if you're giving something away. Never put the link on what you're giving away to. The next one is your reply template. So that means we can then reply to them via a message. So we send out an auto message straight away to them. So if we've got a particular promotion that we're running, where we want them to get a link, we can just show that, and we like to just decide the feelings. Right, so we can show them that, which is pretty cool. Next, we can automate a complete campaign, which means we don't need to touch it at all. It'll just sit and look after itself. Now, we can also tag campaigns, which then means that we have everybody coming into our campaigns, and we know exactly where they've come from, what they're doing, and all the rest of it. Now, anybody who you're serving with this, you can also then get a report together, and the report will then make out everything that you need to know. So auto comment report, auto reply report, comment bulk tagging report, comment reply report, full page response report, and auto like and share report, right? So auto like and share and all that sort of business as well. Now, another thing what we can actually do is, if you're worried about your competition taking the leads from an ad, say for example, so this will work on ads as well. So if you put an ad together and you want an auto comment on your ad, what you would then do is you would then hide the comment that people's just say wrote. So if somebody just wrote a comment, you can reply to that comment, and then you can hide the comment. You can also put foul language, anything negative, and they just won't go up there. So it's all cool. You can just completely sort that out. So if anybody's got anything negative to say about you, it won't appear on your ad or on your post. It just gets rid of it. And it will send them a message as well if you want it to. Don't know what you want to say in the message, but whatever you fancy. And basically what this is going to do, it's going to make it so that you are now everywhere. And obviously the biggest thing about the whole internet marketing thing is consistency in how many places you're at. Now, if you can automate everything and be consistent, so you can automate your groups, your pages, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, your Reddits, your Twitter, your blog, and everything like this, you're going to be found hugely, because you can automate it just for the entire year and never have to worry about that again. You can then spend your time actually getting in touch with people who have contacted you and people who you can help, right? Hopefully this has been some use to you. Hopefully you like it. We've just been implementing all of these different things, and we'd love to hear your feedback on it, because we are always keen to hear feedback, because we think we've got the best product out there. But if there's something that you think that we're missing, we would love to hear it from you, because if we can, then we will implement it. By the way, the Instagram comments and everything like this, and the reply templates, we've already had them for months. We are bringing the Instagram complete messenger bot. That's on its way. Once we finish with this whole API mess about thing that they're doing, then ours will be live as well. But so far we have that many automations in Instagram. Nobody else can possibly touch us with the amount that we have. Right, thanks very much for watching, and speak soon. Cheers, bye.